Guys, welcome back. Now let's start with part drawing. To start the part drawing, go to file, click on new and click on part. Okay, select the part and click on OK. Now this is the part modeling environment of the SOLIDWORKS. Go to this side unit system, then click on mmgs system because we are drawing on millimeter. Now click on sketch, select the plane. I am selecting the front plane. After selecting the front plane, we are going to start with line, so that click on line. After clicking the line insert line dialog box will appear. In the appear, you can see the orientation and you can see the option. In the orientation, you can see as sketched or horizontal or vertical or angle. So if you click on as sketched, then you can sketch a line and you can draw a line like whatever you like this. Click on OK. Now again go to line and click on horizontal. If you select the horizontal, then here is a list of parameter means how much length or the dimension of the line. So if you give here 50, then you can draw 50 length directly, 50 length horizontal line. You can't draw vertical line if you select horizontal. So if you go to vertical and again give 50, then you can draw a vertical line directly. You can't draw other line, like you can't draw the line as sketch. Now if you go to angle, then it is asking you the parameter angle value. This is angle value. If you give 30 degree directly, then you will draw the line at 30 degree with the axis. With this axis you will draw the line with 30 degree. Now this is all things are done. Now let's go to look line option. Line option is for construction. You know that construction line will be dotted line. So if you click on for construction, then the line will be like dash dash line. This line represents the line for construction. You can right click and click on select to go out of this line command. And again if you go to line, then if you click on infinity length, then the line you will draw the line of infinity length, never ending length. Infinity means you know that infinity means never ending. So that to draw the line for if you want the axis line or if you want the line that is never ending, then you can go and directly select the infinity line, then click on select, right click and select to come out of the line command, or you can directly click here. Now line midpoint line, if you click on midpoint line, then the line will be directly like this, and right click select, and this line, this point is midpoint. The midpoint line will be very useful for us, and normally we won't use infinity line, we will use midpoint line and construction line. The line for construction is also very important for us. I hope you understood the line. Now let's meet in the another lecture or another video.